yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got another brand new unboxing for you. Alrighty guys, before we get started in today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. And also don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss another one of these uploads. Now today guys is going to be an unboxing of my most recent pickup. It's going to be the Kobe 4 Protro Girl Dads. Now, I was actually able to get these things from Foot Locker, so like I said, thank you guys. Thank you Foot Locker. My FLX account has actually been hitting and doing very well for me lately, so I do appreciate that. I guess I am just on a hot streak, but was able to actually, secure my size, pick them up in store, no problem. So let's get over to the box. So the box is just going to be your standard Kobe box. This is what basically every single Kobe that basically releases in as of recent. So you're going to get that all over matte black box with the gloss black Kobe, logo, and like that imitation of the snake scales going around the box as well. Label reads Kobe 4 Protro, colorway is bi-coastal and black, and I did get a size 12 because, for Kobe's and Nike basketball sneakers in general, I do recommend you going up at least a half a size. So size 12 would fit me the best because they do run a little bit snug. Open up this box right here, you are going to get just standard white paper, and then you're going to get the shoes right here. Now, just a little bit of brief history is obviously this shoe is dedicated to Kobe's daughters, him being a girl dad. Now, obviously the notes around the shoe are pretty apparent behind the tongue. The only actually real nod to it being the nickname of Girl Dad sneaker is just right behind the tongue. It's going to be stitched in there. It's just going to say Girl Dad right in white lettering right there, right behind the tongue. But other than that, there is no really other special hints or details indicating anything other than just that back of the tongue right there. But overall, guys, this is a very nice, clean sneaker. It's a very unique color as well. It's almost like a olivey aqua type of color. It is, bi-coastal, so it does make sense. But yeah, very unique type of color. I actually really do like the color in person. Not sure how the camera's gonna pick this up, but it is more of like a muted type of, brighter hue, like that turquoise olive color. It's like a perfect combo for that, but really nice color in person, and I am digging these. Pretty simple, shoe in general. The Kobe 4, right? You're just gonna get an all over bi-coastal upper. It is gonna be in this nice, I think it's suede. It might be nubuck, but it does feel like suede. So really nice. You're gonna get the old brush stroke motion going on the toe box and all over the medial and everything like that. Now, as far as the press test, these things are not, like your regular grain leather. So, but it is a softer nubuck and or suede. So, nothing too crazy right there. But all over feels very good. Feels, pretty premium to the touch as well, honestly. You're going to get your matte black Nike swoosh logo right there on the outside, as well on the inner portion as well. So that also feels pretty nice. Nice leather going on right there. You're going to get black laces in these guys. No extra laces are included. You're going to have that standard mesh tongue right there. Going up to where the top of the tongue is, you're going to get that Kobe logo stitched in. It's like I think it's a silver. It's not like I don't think it's white. It might be silver. So that looks pretty cool. Then obviously going back to the back of that heel tab, you're going to get that 24, either debossed or embossed, whatever one right there. That nice 24 logo on the heel cup, as well as that chrome finish with your Kobe signature on the heel tab as well. So, very unique, like I said, for that chrome to be there. So I think that is pretty cool. It does give the shoe a nice pop when you're wearing it. Other than that, going around the the middle side, you're gonna get that nice Phylon right there in your same bi-coastal color. And then to the bottom right here on your outsole, you're gonna get that carbon fiber shank plate, as well as that translucent white. It's kind of like a it's not like that tinted blue color. It's more of like a icy silvery type of outsole right there, that translucent silvery outsole, which I think looks pretty cool, honestly. You have the chrome on the back, and then you get that silver wrapping up towards the top of that mud guard right here at the forefoot of the sneaker. So it does pair very well when you go to that outsole. And then on your inside, for your insole, you're going to get an bright orange, total orange insole with just your standard Kobe logo. So nothing too crazy on the inside. But overall, guys, let me know how you guys like these things down below in the comment section. Did you go for these things? Did you strike out? I know that they were pretty limited. I'm hearing about 50,000 or so pairs that released on the Sneakers app. So if you did get them, congrats to you guys. And like I said, luckily the FLX app got me locked down for these things. Yeah, guys, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. And don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss another one of these uploads. With all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, me, and the Kobe 4 Protro girl dad. We're out. Peace.